Hello, my name is Kenneth Tucker, and I'm attending the Drone Command Live, and I really appreciate the opportunity to learn more, especially about the drones, and because what's the need in the future, what need right now and the future. I'm having a great time learning, meeting, seeing everything, hearing the drone boss and Mr. Diego talk about different things. So I'm just learning and gonna keep learning as time goes on. And I said when I seen the video somewhere where they was offering the drone, just a seminar, and for 2 hour seminar, I went to that, and then I was enthused. I missed the first drone command, but I made the second one. So I'm just excited, and I never met Diego or the drone boss, but very good guys, very inspirational, very informative, and I appreciate that. So again, my name is Kenneth Tucker here in Atlanta, Georgia, and just attending the class, and great to be attending the class, and just learning and gonna keep learning. Thank you.